have done a FabFitFun spoilers video, but there are two out there. Two spoilers as far as I know, and we are coming up to the access to do your add-ons and your choices beginning October 19th. So I figured, let's get into this. Now, Rebecca Minkoff, she actually became popular in 2018 with some of her purse designs. And I wanted to see exactly what the MSRP would be on this bag they're showing us here, but I could not find the style on Rebecca Minkoff's site at all. I found some things that were similar, and she does have more of a more expensive line, and some of the crossbody bags are $348, $328. I found a few $278. There's a lot of black ones, but I could not find that exact style, so it's probably from an earlier collection released in the last couple of years. But yeah, that's one spoiler. And what was the next? Okay, so more have been released. Let's go through them. Customization 1 and early spoilers. It looks like here we have a fragrance by Milk. Commodity Milk Expressive. It has a $75 value. Then Fenty Skin What Ya Tone 5% niacinamide dark spot serum with vitamin C, a $42 value. And then, of course, I told you about the Rebecca Minkoff. And then it looks like we have by Olaplex, the number 9 Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum. The value is $30. And then we have the Citrine Atlas Cocktail Glass, a set of 2, $40. Guys, I'm just curious, would you rather have more beauty than lifestyle items, or do you like to have the mixture that FabFitFun gives you? I'm just curious. It's just something that's been in the back of my mind. Let me let you know that the annual add-ons begins on October 19th and it ends on the 24th. Annual customization for the annual members plus the Boost My Box and refills starts October 20th, and that's through the 24th. The annual member swap for credits. If you don't like your box, you get to swap. You get credits and you can go spend it in their store. It's available now until October 23rd. And then add-ons for all. For all members, winter add-ons begins November 2nd and ends on the 7th. So you definitely get that advantage when you are an annual member. Seasonal customization and Boost My Box and refills opens to seasonal members November 3rd and ends on November 7th. Okay, so it is $59.99 quarterly. I do think you do save some money when you are annual. It's been a while since I've been annual, but that's all the spoilers that are out there right now. Tell me, what do you think? What do you think of these spoilers? Is this going to make you run out and get that box or restart your subscription? Let me know. And if it's something you don't like, just tell me everything down in the comments. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I appreciate you guys so much, and I look forward to bringing you more spoilers and talking to you soon. Bye.